And we're off. There we go. Exit. So we can't turn right out of that door. Not sure why. It seems bizarre. You've come down off the ship, along the side of it, left away from the town, and now up the stairs. Because they'd taken us to an opal factory or something. This is why they want you to go through their shops. Don't like any trips here or anything, but just the way out. So there is an information desk here, just before you go out. And eventually you get out, so we've done half of a K already. Just getting to this gate. No, thank you, we're walking, thank you. Thank you. So if you want taxis, there's hundreds of them. No, thank you, we're walking, thank you. We've been before. But once you get through, a lot of the taxis go. So here's a sign. They've got a ticket office here for set trip prices. Vesuvius, it's that €20 there and back. Amalfi, €40 there and back. Official ticket office. Cruise terminal. Anyone coming from the airport? Alibus Airport Link. And that's about it. We're free from it now. We're away from everybody. That's a ferry port. Capri. They look like about every 25 minutes to different places. Sorrento, Capri, Ischia, all every 20 minutes. Bit busy.